Adding sound. We can program the sprite to say words or play sounds by using the blocks in Sound Block category. Steps to add sound. Click on the Sound Block category in the script pane. Click, hold, and drag the Play Drum block from the block palette to the script area. Change the drum type, example, 7 tambourine. Change the number of beats, example, 6. Click on the block. The sprite will play the sound. Saving a Scratch project. Click on the File menu. Click on the Save option. The Save Project dialog box appears as shown above. Select the folder in which you want to save the project. Specify the file name. Click on the Save button. Opening a Scratch project. Click on the File menu. Click on the Open option. The Open Project dialog box appears. Select the folder in which the project is saved. Select the project name. Click on the Open button. Selected project gets opened up in Scratch window.